So today I'm just going to do is to snip it off. Hey guys, it's Meera. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Meera Kaneria. I upload fashion videos every Sunday on YouTube. So if you are new here, do consider subscribing to my channel because that's how you support me, my work, my creativity, my everything. Okay, so few days back I uploaded one story on my Instagram showcasing how many old clothes I gathered. That was one full bag which I'm going to thrift flip. I'm super excited for this because firstly I'm going to start with my all-time favorite, that is t-shirts. Okay, so for this video you just need is your t-shirts and see them. That's all for it. Let's get into the video. To start with the process, mark the center point. Go down till end and cut it off. So what we got is the tail of T. Now to make the horizontal line, take your pencil and mark it on both edges. And then all you need to do is to cut the seam till the point you marked on both sides. We are done with the front side. For the back side, you just need to do is to simply crop the t-shirt. For this also I'm going to mark it with the pencil, but here I'm keeping the length as it is and just snip it off. Last step would be stretching your raw hem and voila, it's done. Going to style this t-shirt at the end. For the second one, I'm simply going to cut the shoulder part to show off my shoulders. For this, draw an arc. I'm drawing it above my print and would be simply cutting it off. Stopping it just before the neck hem. I don't want to cut it that part. Therefore, I'm doing the same while performing this on the back side as well. Follow the neck hem and snip it sharply. Last and the third one, this is one of my most favorite of all. For this, I'm going to do is to fold it lengthwise and then going to cut it straight just before the neckline. After this, cut the thin strips by keeping neck hem as it is. Open it and you would get something like this. I am now sharply snipping it around the neck. Now I am going to stretch each strips to make it a long strings. Next, take first two strings and tie a knot. Tie second knot by keeping appropriate distance. Repeat all around and then for the next round take a string of other two and tie knots. by taking care of the space to keep in between two knots. Repeat all around till the end and you are done. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know the drill. Do like, comment and subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to never miss a video on every Sunday at 10 a.m. because I don't want you to miss my video. Oh yes. So yeah, till then you just watch the outcome of this video and I'll see you guys in the next videos. Till then.